Hey everyone, it's Barb Betts here, broker owner of the Betts Realty Group, and I am checking in here with you today with a little bit of education on Zillow and why it is not the answer to pricing your home. Zillow is also known as an AVM, and there's a lot of these out there, and essentially that stands for Automated Valuation Model, otherwise known as a computer algorithm. So what are they? It's essentially a computer that's trained to look at and analyze numbers. There's many reasons why these valuations are not a good, reasonable, reliable source to pricing a home to sell or knowing the value that you need in a home to refinance. They're great tools to possibly just quickly check the value of your home because you're curious. But if you need a reliable number or value on your home, there's many reasons why these are not the place to go. First of all, it's a computer. Second of all, it doesn't know things like, does a plane fly over your home? Is there railroad tracks behind a property? It doesn't take into account things like, have you upgraded your home? Have you put in new central air and heat, new windows, a new roof? It doesn't know what improvements you've done to your home. Have you remodeled your home and your neighbors haven't? And most importantly, it doesn't know your neighborhood like a professional realtor does. It doesn't know the difference between your home and the one that may just be across the street. Here's a couple stories and examples I want to give you today. One is a client who asked me to come over and chat with her about the value of her home because she was looking to refinance and wanted to know if she could remove the mortgage insurance, and she needed a certain value. So I went over and chatted with her and gave her the value of what I thought her home would be on an appraisal or on the open market, and she was very pleased. She honestly thought it was much lower than what I told her, so she was very happy. And I decided to check the Zestimate days later. And it was over $60,000 off of what I told her that I felt her home would sell for. And the reason I know this information is because I'm active in her community. I know the values of property in that neighborhood. In fact, I had a listing that was 12 doors down from her, just down the street. And this home, when the consumer came to us and said, we want to list our home, they thought $600,000 was a fair value. We told them, no, we feel like you could push $615,000 or possibly higher. Guys, they ended up getting $630,000 for their home. Guess what the Zestimate was? $604,000, $26,000 off. Now, I don't know about you, but I wouldn't want to rely on an inaccurate number like that. And the biggest reason is the computer is not a professional. The computer doesn't have a license. The computer isn't in the market every day. So my motto behind this education tip today is, if you want an accurate valuation of your home, please call a professional. Call a professional realtor, call a professional appraiser, get an accurate value of your home. Now, at the end of the day, no one knows market value, another secret in our industry. Market value is what a willing buyer and willing seller are willing to compromise on for the sale of a home. That is market value. And as long as I'm not buying a home, I'm not going to determine market value. But I'm going to give you a professional, honest, reliable number that is built on so many things that go into valuing a home. If you need a reliable source for a trusted advisor in real estate, we'd love to be that person. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you again soon.